Maha Cartoon TV.
Which is Dance of Fury.
I'll destroy all the crops today. The villagers are having fun because of these crops, and here we are, starving.
Oh God, which wild animal could it be? God, these wild animals are getting super destructive these days. Thousands of money gone into vain. What do I do now? Can't think of anything.
Dougie, what's wrong with you?
Headman, look at these fields. These wild animals have destroyed all the crops.
Oh God, this is terrible. We need to find solution to this soon.
Head, we are fed up of this chaos the wild animals have been creating for this long.
Last night some wild animals destroyed all the green fly crops.
If this continues to be this way, we are doomed.
Till when do we have to bear the loss of destroyed crops, Headman?
What can we do the best to get rid of these wild animals? You people just suggest something, okay?
We can do one thing. Let's hire a watchman.
Yes, he can help us protect our fields.
Okay, fine. We'll hire one today itself.
That's great.
Oh God, it's past midnight, but I just haven't been able to see any wild animals till yet.
We will destroy all the crops today.
Oh, where is the noise of this witch scaring laughing coming from? The witch has come! Save me! Headman, I won't keep an eye on the fields from now on.
But why? What happened?
Headman, there is no wild animals who are destroying the fields, but it's the work of witches. They are behind all the ruined crops.
What are you saying?
I am telling the truth, Headman. Past midnight, I heard something strangely creepy. And when I checked, I saw a couple of witches ruining the crops with their feet.
Oh God, this is completely different story from what we expected. Now we will have to talk with the priest. Good morning, priest.
A very good morning, Headman. Tell me, what brought you here?
Something strange has happening in the village from last few days.
What happened?
Actually, somebody was destroying all the crops in the fields. Initially, we thought it was some wild animals. But then the watchman saw few witches destroying the fields. We have come here to seek your help, priest.
Oh, whatever this is happening, it's not right.
What happened, priest?
It's a long story that I'll tell you later. But for now, you have to remember that every month on the full moon night, exactly at 12 in the midnight, you have to keep few dishes and animals under the banyan tree near the village. This way, the witches will satisfy and won't bother you and the villagers. Do you understand? I hope you understand me.
Sure, priest. It will be full moon night tonight. So I'll start the practice from today onwards only.
Okay, you keep everything prepared. I'll definitely come with you people in the night to offer the meal to the witches.
Okay.
Om Him Klim Chudelaye Namaha.
We all respect you and have brought these offerings for you to not ruin the fields of our villages.
Why have the branches of the tree started moving so quickly?
The witches are dancing because of happiness. We should go now.
It's so much fun. We have got such delicious
from that day of the prayer, the witches stopped coming to the village and destroyed the crops, which made the villagers very happy.
The field this time is so good. It's been so long that we saw such a great flowery field. And even these witches have stopped ruining the crops. This time we will get lots of benefits.
And just like this, the time went by, and the villagers forgot all about offering food to the witches.
Oh God, how did my goats die? It feels like some wild animal entered the village. Hey, how it's going?
I am good. But yesterday night, somebody killed my all pet chickens in the backyard.
Oh, this is the terrible news. But I guess that wild animal came to my house too.
Why, Jaggi? What happened with you?
Even 2 of my goats have found dead this morning.
The headman mentioned that some wild animals have entered our village in last few days.
I can only think of one solution to this problem. A few of us need to guard in the night to see what animal it is. And then we can decide how to get rid of them.
You are right. You are absolutely right. We'll start this from today's itself. It's almost midnight and we still have not seen one wild animal.
Hey, today we are guarding the fields. Probably that's why they haven't come. Look, there is an old woman standing. But what is she doing here at this point of time? Let's go and ask her.
Run! 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 It's a witch! The witch has come! Run! Witch! Thanks God, we have reached home safely, or else that witch would have eaten us all. I must go to the villagers. It's high time now. We have to find a solution. Headman, the witch has come back to the village.
The wild animals aren't doing anything to our pet animals, but it's the work of witches, headman.
Oh God, this is bad news. What will we do now? Because we don't even have priest among us who could help us in this situation like he used to. We need to find someone who will help us.
I know, a man who lives in the countryside.
I think he can help us.
Okay, we'll go and meet him. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
We have come here to seek your help for our problem.
Yes, tell me about it. I tell you the entire story. Mr. Exorcist, actually from last few days all our pets are getting killed in the village. So we people decided to guard during the night and check what happening. And yesterday night when we are guarding we saw a witch. Sir, we are doubtful that the witches have come back to the village who used to destroy our crops. So please help us, sir. Please help us.
Oh.
Boss, please.
Okay, I'll do something about it. Don't worry. Om Him Klim Chamundai Vichay Chudele Namaha. Who is it? Who is bothering the villagers? Who are you? Tell me quickly, or else my power will destroy you.
How many witches will you destroy? We aren't just a few. We are more than you think.
Tell me, who is your leader?
I am the leader. Now tell me, why have you come here?
I have come here to eliminate all the witches from here.
Oh, so you will eliminate us? Now tell me, who will eliminate?
Now, I don't use my powers. These witches will certainly kill me. Om Him Krim Chamundai Vicha. Lock the leader witch into the bottle right now.
Leave our leader witch, or else we will kill you all. Leave our leader witch, or else we will give a fatal death. Yes, leave her right now.
If you do anything to me, then I kill your leader. Mind that, okay? Leader witch, now you have to promise me that you don't bother these villagers ever again.
Okay, fine. But you also tell the villagers that every month on the full moon night, they have to keep the offerings for us, just like they did before.
Okay, fine. I'll tell them. Go, leader witch. I'll free you. Om Him Klim.
And this way the witches' dance of fury came to an end, and the villagers lived happily ever after.
If you enjoyed this video, do like, share and comment, and to be the first person to watch our videos, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for timely notifications.